A day after the Supreme Court permanently barred renowned lawyer Ahmednasir Abdullahi from making submissions before it, the Law Society of Kenya has termed the decision as unconstitutional. In a statement, LSK President Eric Theuri contends that the court lacks the legal authority to prevent an advocate duly authorized by the Law Society of Kenya from practicing law, arguing that the decision, if allowed to stand, would set a dangerous precedent where courts could disbar anyone they did not like. In a statement signed by the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, the court termed it untenable for the lawyer to seek justice before the very judges whose reputation and integrity he has consistently attacked. The statement, dated January 18, 2024, accuses the senior counsel of running a smear campaign against the highest court in the land, as well as the 7-judge bench that sits on it for years, through relentless accusations of corruption and incompetence. The court stated that it had exercised restraint over the years and even cautioned Ahmednasir in 2018, citing its ruling in the case of Republic versus Ahmad Abdullahi Mohammed and Anor in the Supreme Court petition number 39 of 2018, where the lawyer allegedly directed unsubstantiated attacks towards the court.
In the last few weeks, Senior Counsel Mr. Ahmednasir Abdullahi publicly claimed that some judges of the Supreme Court were bribed to decide the Wajir gubernatorial petition in the way they did. I challenge him to file a petition and assure him that the Judicial Service Commission will take stern and appropriate action against those judges.
Reacting to the decision, Ahmednasir termed the ban a badge of honor, further promising to file a petition against the Supreme Court at the East African Court of Justice. A former commissioner of the Judicial Service Commission, Ahmednasir, has been vocal in condemning unnamed corrupt judges, recently joining President William Ruto's calls to tame the rot in the judiciary. The move by the Supreme Court has elicited debate among legal experts and the public. LSK Vice President Faith Odhiambo also condemned the move on her X account, terming the Supreme Court's move an abuse of the discretionary powers granted to the court. The judiciary has in recent days faced heavy criticism, with the executive, led by President William Ruto, accusing corrupt judicial officers of sabotaging the government's agenda in some of their rulings. Michelle Ngele Odhiambo, K24.